Advising businesses on insurance tools for different purposes. Introduction. Every business, whether small or large, faces risks. Business insurance tools are designed to provide protection against these risks, ensuring continuity and financial stability. In this video, we'll guide you through selecting the most suitable insurance tools based on your business's nature and goals. Why business insurance matters. Risk protection. Insurance cushions your business from property damage, lawsuits, employee injuries, or theft. Financial stability. Helps your business recover without dipping into core capital. Legal compliance. Certain types of insurance like workers' compensation are mandatory in most regions. Example, in Kenya, a construction company in Nairobi is legally required to carry worker protection cover. In the US, general liability insurance is a standard requirement for nearly all registered businesses. Types of business insurance tools. Here are the most widely used tools in business insurance. General liability insurance. Property insurance. Workers' compensation insurance. Business interruption insurance. Professional liability insurance. Commercial auto insurance. Cyber liability insurance. Product liability insurance. General liability insurance. Purpose: covers third-party injuries, property damage, and legal defense. Best suited for public-facing businesses such as shops, salons, and event planners. Example, if a customer trips on loose flooring at your Nairobi boutique, this policy helps cover their medical bills and legal claims. Globally, a food truck in Toronto also relies on this cover to handle similar risks. Property insurance. Purpose: protects physical business assets from fire, vandalism, or theft. Best suited for manufacturers, retailers, or wholesalers with high-value equipment or stock. Example, a Kisumu-based wholesaler whose warehouse is damaged in a storm can recover losses using property insurance. Similarly, a German car parts supplier insures their factory machinery for full asset protection. Workers' compensation insurance. Purpose: provides coverage for employee injuries or illnesses that occur on the job. Best suited for any employer with staff, especially in sectors like logistics, construction, and healthcare. Example, if an employee at a Nairobi-based bakery injures themselves with equipment, this policy pays for medical expenses and lost wages. In California, this coverage is mandatory from the moment a company hires its first employee. Business interruption insurance. Purpose: covers lost income if operations are forced to pause due to disasters like fires or floods. Best suited for restaurants, production facilities, and retail chains. Example, a restaurant in Westlands shut down due to a kitchen fire can rely on this insurance to cover ongoing bills during the rebuild. Internationally, many businesses used this coverage during pandemic-related lockdowns. Professional liability insurance. Purpose: covers claims arising from errors, omissions, or professional negligence. Best suited for consultants, lawyers, accountants, IT professionals, and architects. Example, a Nairobi-based tech firm facing a lawsuit for a failed software implementation is protected under this policy. Globally, legal and medical professionals in the UK and US must carry this type of cover. Commercial auto insurance. Purpose: covers business vehicles used for deliveries, transport, or field work. Best suited for courier services, construction companies, and mobile sales teams. Example, if a delivery van in Mombasa is involved in a traffic accident, commercial auto insurance covers repair costs and liability claims. Globally, logistics companies like DHL insure their entire fleet under commercial vehicle policies. Cyber liability insurance. Purpose: protects against financial loss due to data breaches, hacking, and cybercrime. Best suited for e-commerce platforms, medical practices, financial service providers. Example, a digital payments company in Kenya facing a cyber attack uses this policy to handle data recovery and legal notices. In the US, after major breaches, companies like Equifax and Target spent millions covered by cyber insurance. Product liability insurance. Purpose: covers legal costs and damages if a product causes harm or injury. Best suited for manufacturers, exporters, and resellers. Example: a Nairobi-based electronics retailer selling a defective gadget that injures a user would rely on this policy to cover compensation. Globally, baby product manufacturers are often heavily insured due to the risks of product recalls and injuries. Choosing insurance by business type. Every business needs a tailored insurance mix. Here's a breakdown. Small retail business, e.g., clothing shop in Kisumu. General liability. Property insurance. Workers' compensation. E-commerce business, e.g., digital shop operating across Kenya. Cyber liability. General liability. Business interruption. Consulting firm, e.g., legal or HR services. Professional liability. Workers' compensation. General liability. Manufacturing business, e.g., industrial goods production. Product liability. Workers' compensation. Property insurance. Business interruption. Assessing risk to determine coverage. To get the right coverage, businesses should identify risks. Are you exposed to theft, fire, lawsuits, or data theft? Evaluate impact. What would each risk cost the business if it occurred? Choose policies. Match your risks with insurance tools that offer the most appropriate protection. A tailoring shop in Eldoret may not need cyber insurance, but a Nairobi fintech startup certainly would. Scenario: insuring a restaurant. A new restaurant opens in Nairobi CBD. Recommended coverage. General liability protects against customer injuries or property damage. Workers' compensation for kitchen and service staff injuries. Business interruption in case of fire or flood shuts operations. Property insurance covers kitchen equipment, furniture, and stock. Scenario: insuring an IT consultancy. An IT firm offers systems integration to businesses in Nairobi and abroad. Recommended coverage. Professional liability for errors in service delivery. General liability for any third-party claims from office visits. Cyber liability to handle client data security and hacking threats. Mistakes to avoid when choosing insurance. Underestimating needs. Insufficient coverage can cause huge losses. Overinsuring, paying for coverage that your business doesn't need drains cash flow. Failing to review policies. As your business evolves, your insurance needs to grow too. For example, a Nairobi tech startup that expanded into data hosting would now need robust cyber coverage it didn't need at inception. Business insurance is not a luxury, it's a strategic tool for survival and growth. The right insurance policies will shield your business from sudden financial shocks, lawsuits, disasters, and operational interruptions. Always base your insurance decisions on a clear risk assessment and adapt coverage as your business expands. Don't hesitate to seek expert advice when evaluating complex needs or entering new industries. Thanks for watching. Protect your vision, protect your business.